The Montana Harvest of the Month program showcases a different Montana grown or raised food each month. It's a perfect way to launch or grow a farm-to-school or farm-to-cafeteria program. Successful farm-to-school initiatives depend on a partnership of school staff, community organizations, and community members. On April 21st, 2023, Farm-to-School of Park County and Gardiner Schools, along with the National Center for Appropriate Technology and Montana Team Nutrition, hosted a day-long farm-to-school workshop at Gardiner School, just blocks away from the entrance of Yellowstone National Park. The workshop provided general training on farm-to-school and Harvest of the Month, as well as featured how Gardiner Public Schools and Farm-to-School of Park County implement these initiatives with the goal of demonstrating how everyone, from parents to nonprofit organizations, can help with farm-to-school activities such as classroom taste tests, recipe sharing, and cooking demonstrations, as well as curriculum planning and procurement. In the morning, after partner introductions and an overview of Harvest of the Month and Farm to School, guests joined one of two breakout sessions. The first session focused on Harvest of the Month menu planning and procurement, a perfect introduction for school, early care and education, healthcare, and other food service professionals. It covered the basics of menu planning and procurement methods for incorporating local and seasonal foods into school cafeteria meals. In the second session, participants received agriculture education and school garden training and learned how everyone from educators to parents can be involved in community-based gardening education. After the morning sessions, a delicious local foods lunch was served by Gardiner food service professionals. The highlight of the meal was a freshly baked dough filled with local ground bison and marinara sauce, one of the specialties of the food service director. The afternoon breakout session included a Harvest of the Month cooking class where attendees rolled up their sleeves and joined the school chef in making some of her favorite recipes, highlighting Montana-grown and raised foods. This course focused on working with recipes designed to serve large groups and covered both recipe preparation, cooking, and storage. The second afternoon breakout session focused on how to create fun and easy taste tests for students. Taste tests are an important part of Farm to School and Harvest of the Month, as they introduce new foods, often prepared in a variety of ways, to students and allow them to provide their feedback. In this tasty testing session, held in the Gardiner School Library, guests learned all about the different taste tests that can be done and how to structure simple voting systems. Guests at this session also helped prepare some foods, which in this instance were pancakes, and of course tasted and voted on if they tried a new food and if they liked or loved it. The partnership between Gardiner Schools and Farm to School Park County highlighted how even in rural communities, local foods are an important part of agriculture and nutrition education. To learn more about Harvest of the Month, visit mtharvestofthemonth.org.